guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so very happy you're back to see my video. And today we have another cash envelope stuffing. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm supposed to have last week video up, but I don't. So what's gonna happen is I'm doing 2 checks today, so which is last week checks and this week, so that way you don't miss any of them. So alright guys, let's get into it. Guys, so I'm gonna start as always with my cash envelope first. So they're right here. First of all, utilities. I didn't pay my bills last week, so I'm gonna be taking that money out. So I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna be paying my bills tomorrow, so this is going to the bank today. And I'm gonna clean this up, that way I keep on track again. So I'm gonna be taking the bills money out, and I'm gonna be adding for the next month. Do utilities now, and utility is getting these 2 checks. I had to do last week and this week, so utility is getting 120. I have nothing left for gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending, I have $20, so I'm gonna put this on the side. I will add that later. So spending is getting $80. So 50, 70, 80 will be my spending for this week. Alright guys, so beauty is getting, and I still have 15. Alright guys, so $20 for beauty. Alright, so we're done with the cash envelopes. Guys, so now we're gonna do our sinking funds. Start with the first binder. So my daughter, since I always put $25 and there's 2 checks, so they're both gonna get $50 each. So now my daughter has 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 50. So 650. So 1,650. And now the daughter should have the same. So $50. So 1,650. Guys, so vacation is getting $40. Vacation. Let's see how much we have now. We have 100, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 400. 50, 60, 70. $470. Alright guys, so family time. Okay, it's not getting anything this week. Clothes is getting $40, just because I need to get some sandals for my kids. Summertime is coming. So right now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Giving is not getting anything, and then I have some change here that I'm gonna take out. Take this out. And I'm gonna put it in here. Alright guys, so we're done with this binder. And to the next binder. And emergency is getting $20. It has 100, 150, 170, 190, $200. So $200 in emergency, guys. Car maintenance is not getting anything. Credit card is not getting anything. Help is not getting anything. So that's it for this binder. Going to my savings. Alright, so savings getting $40 here. So $40 on my saving because like I need to save more. So in savings I have 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So $1,170. Alright, so investment is getting $10. So $10 on investment. So now we have so 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 220, 225, $230. Alright guys, so Christmas is getting $20 for sure. $20 on Christmas. So now for Christmas we already have 50, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 200. And then we have 50, 70, 90, 100. So that's $300, you guys. $305 on Christmas. School supplies is not getting anything. Yeah, home's not getting anything. Gifts is getting, let's put $10 on gifts, because I think I had to buy a gift this weekend. Yeah, so right now I have 50, 70, 80, 95. So I have 95 on gifts. Okay, so we are done with this binder. So we're gonna get to the new binder, and nothing for travel subscription's gonna get $40 because you guys already know, and I already have a few months here which I have to put it on the bank. So I think I'm gonna take these out as well with the utility money. So I'm gonna be taking this out as well, you guys, because I need to put this in the bank, and I'm gonna tell you guys how many months I have here. So I pay $40 a month. So I have 20, 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, and 20 and 40. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 months which I already pay, but I have to put it on the bank. So this is gonna go with the utility money. So in total I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. So $160, you guys. Just put it on the side. And for my birthday, I'm not putting anything. So I was done with this because I'll go ahead to our challenges. first one. So I'm gonna keep reminding you, remember that today I'm supposed to put 2 weeks because we are doing 2 checks at once. So I'm gonna be putting 240 plus 115, which is $355. So 355, 40, 55. Okay, so we're gonna be adding 1, 2, 3. So 100, 200, 300. 20, 40, 55. So 355 in our challenge of 6 months. So it's 2 weeks. Oh my god, you guys, we're almost done with May. Look at this. This month went by so quick. I only have 1 more week left, which is great because I'm gonna be continuing. Maybe we could finish the whole thing a week before. Alright guys, so green challenge is getting $60. Oh, before I do that, you guys, I gotta add the 20 that I took out from my spending. And I also have some money here. This is extra money that I made. This one's going somewhere else. I will show you where. And then this one, I'm gonna be adding it to this. And right here I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So $95. I'm gonna be adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be 100, 10, 15. So 115 I'm gonna be adding to right here to the tray. So yeah, it's good to have extra money too. That helps a lot. This is why I like to do, you know, like side hustles and stuff. So 20, 40, $60. I'm gonna do all 20s because, you know, this thing gets big in here. So I'm gonna add $60. And we're gonna go to the red, and the red is getting $20. So $20 for the red. Okay, so I'll be filling the blanks later. The fun challenge, I'm gonna be adding $20. And I will do that later as well. Alright, so we're done with the challenges. Alright guys, so whatever's left, so I'm gonna be adding this 20 to my savings. So I'm gonna add it to my savings. And I will let you guys know how much I have now. So 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So $1,190 I have now. So last but not least, this is my challenge, my other challenge, which is $1, $5, and $10 challenge. I had to, you know, say every time because if you are new to my channel, then you don't know what this is. So this is why I always repeat myself. So this is where I put all the 5 and the 1s and the 10s. So this week I'm gonna be adding whatever's left. So I have 5, 10, 15, $20 on 5. So that goes to my $5 challenge. And then my 10s, so whatever's left, this is where it's going. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60 to my $10 challenge. Okay, and we are done, you guys. Alright guys, so for the last thing, this is something that I saw. So it's only $12, but that's okay. We're gonna keep adding, you know. So what I'm doing is every time, like on my side hustle, whatever money I do, I just put it in here. So like last week I made $80, so put it right here if you guys can see it right there. So this is part of that, so I'm gonna be adding it there and there, and that's it, you guys. So I see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.